This might just be the craziest sublimation test I ever done. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Elizabeth Quest, and today we're gonna actually find out if we can actually sublimate on toilet paper. You heard me? Right. Toilet paper. I had to find out. Will it work? Or will this just go up in flames? Stay tuned because this is going to be wild. So, for the purpose of this video, I created two pre-made designs for the toilet paper sublimation test. And one it says I gotta go with the toilet paper brushing out. And the other one is cute as a button. So cute. Let's jump right in. So we set our temperature and our time at 385 at 60 seconds on mode 1 on this heat press. So we're going to use these two and the toilet paper. You place the toilet paper like this in the square that it should be around here, the design. And we're going to put the other one, I put it like this. I believe you can use any type of toilet paper. I just have this at home. And well, that's what I'm going to be using. And we're going to place one of these on top. And we'll just add a second one. So we're just going to put it right there. Hope it doesn't mess up. We're going to and start. Will it work? Will it be just a disaster? Comment below. Let me know what you think about this crazy test that I'm actually doing. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? And if you have another crazy idea of what to sublimate test, just comment below. Let me know what kind of video I should do next in reference to things that I can sublimate, no matter how insane they might be. What a crazy experiment that we just had. And unfortunately, my camera died before I can even say we were done, and I'm gonna reveal it. So now we're done with the test, and I'm gonna reveal the results now. And guess what? It worked. Look how cool that is. And the other one, this actually kind of moved a little bit, so it kind of has a ghosting effect on it. I have to figure out a better way for the design to not move, since it's toilet paper and it could, like, if you tape it, it could rip off. But regardless, this came out pretty cool, and I just can't believe that it worked, and it's awesome, and it's like, whoa. It's so crazy, so fun, guys. If you want to have another insane test video, please comment below. Let me know what other challenges I can accomplish.